How to invite friends on Temu app. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find the different option. Navigate to the option U. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now navigate to the option country and region. From the list of the regions, set it to United States or Canada, as the best deals and offers are available in these regions. Then you can head back. Now head towards the U page. Over here, you're gonna find the fund option. Click on the option on credit and free gift or the option reward. Clicking on that, you're gonna get several options. Shine in Temu, redeem credit, free gift, and many more. From those options, select the option redeem coins. You'll be directed to this page, and here you're gonna find this option refer new app users. Click on that. With that, you will get different options: Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, TikTok, and many more. Now you can easily invite your friends using these platforms: Messenger, WhatsApp, TikTok, and many more. Or you can copy the link and directly send it. Or also you can copy the code. Click on copy code. Now I can share this. Once the code is used by your friend, you will earn the coins. So this way you can easily invite friends on Temu. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.